Billions in peace, trillions in war, the creators of death excel in its design. Sniping, hunting, and machine gunning. The production of bullets alone in 1 year is enough to kill double the Earth's population. This kinetic projectile, capable of penetrating armor, shields, and sound, is one of the most widely used types of ammunition since its invention. Because of it, the brave has become equated with the coward, as one of its inventors once said. Tens of billions of dollars are spent by the world's armies on bullet factories that never cease production due to the insatiable appetite of both the military and civilian markets. Especially since silencing guns has become a fantasy. The moment a war ceases, another ignites, and another, and as they rage on, cartridges harvest lives and dreams. The prevailing belief is that firearms come first and then ammunition is produced for them. However, the opposite is true. Firearms are nothing more than tools to deliver bullets to the target. And the tiniest design flaw in ammunition production can cost soldiers and weapon bearers their lives and armies their fronts. Here, the extreme precision in using lasers to detect bullet imperfections becomes apparent, even if they are 1 in 100 millimeters. The challenge of reducing the weight of a bullet by 1 gram took some British factories 10 years of study by weapon engineers, with the aim of reducing half a kilogram of weight on an infantryman carrying 300 rounds. Also, supply aircrafts can carry an extra 100,000 rounds to supply lines each time, which tempts consumers in the armies. The Russian-Ukrainian war today has raised bullet consumption rates to unimaginable levels. But to approach it differently, the US military, which directed its budget towards future weapons and aerospace military technology, found itself lagging in securing traditional bullets after the wars in Afghanistan and Iraq. In 2004, it raised its production to 1.5 billion rounds annually, while America's production in 2020 reached 10 billion rounds of various calibers at a rate of 34 rounds per citizen, with a weight 3 times that of the Titanic ship, totaling 53 tons. Half of these bullets are sold in the local market for hunting, recreation, and committing crimes. How many voices cry out and shout, if you want to stop the violence of weapons, start with the bullets. Killing has become a habit and has spread everywhere. Armies and mercenaries will never be satisfied or deterred, and the bleeding wounds won't stop until the permissible weapons starve.
And so much more on your channel. Fact Not Fake.